Yeah, there's absolutely no need or benefit to putting on additional weight before fasting unless you really are so lean that fasting would be dangerous without doing that. But in most cases, it's not a problem. People can fast, even very, very lean people can usually fast. We've had guys who are 130 pounds, right? Most of you think I look pretty lean. We've had guys that I'm 150, so considerably lighter than me, go as long as 7.5 weeks, starting at 130 pounds at the same height. People can go a long time. What happens is if you're lean, you lose weight more slowly than if you're heavy. So you can have a lot less and still be perfectly fine, okay? The problem with adding weight before you fast is that the first thing your body's likely to take off is the weight you just put on, which is not where the toxic stuff in your body has been stored. You're just adding to the body's burden. It's not really helping you. Okay? Other questions, anyone? Still got lots of time. Yeah?
If someone did want to, I know this wouldn't be considered fasting, but if someone did want to be more active, like for the first week of a fast, then having that additional fat would be beneficial if they still wanted to walk around, be more active at the beginning?
I don't know, maybe. It's still not really beneficial. I mean, but let's just be clear. Walking around while you're fasting is still fasting. You're just not getting so much benefit from it. It doesn't make any sense to do that unless the goal is to lose weight. If your goal is to lose weight, then you might want to be physically active. Don't worry about the fact that you're losing more muscle than fat at first. You just all you care about is the number on the scale, right? I mean, people are doing things where they're losing muscle, but I weigh less. I'm like, yeah, but you've lost your muscle. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, do it properly, so to get the most benefit and be as safe as possible. And there's really no reason to put on weight.